When searching for the right transmission repair shop, keep these important things in mind. Repairing the transmission in your car can be one of the most expensive repair jobs you may encounter. It can be a complex and lengthy job that requires the attention of a qualified transmission repair shop. A qualified repair shop can quickly determine your problem and schedule a repair time frame. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find a transmission repair shop that is right for you. 1. Look for a shop that is familiar with the year and make of your vehicle and will also offer a clear and fair warranty on their work. 2. Don't be afraid to ask for a free estimate. Make sure there's no surprises. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right transmission repair shop. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.